SImone Productions presents an introduction to Running Set Hoedown, featuring Garland Steele. Part 48, Ocean Wave.
This figure is called Ocean Wave. Again, it is one of those rare running set figures where the corners are considered to be square. Now, why this should be with an ocean wave, I don't know. But this is one of the names that's given to this figure, although, of course, there are other names that may be just as appropriate. Number one couple, lead out and face number two couple, and hands forward one time around. When you're straight, number one couple, split apart, and ocean wave. Wave the ocean, wave the sea, wave that pretty girl back to me. You see they're making a square around that couple. Now, through that couple and wave the ocean, wave the shore, wave this time, and wave no more. Then hands forward around that floor, and lead right on to the next O2, and there you go. That's what we'll do.
To learn more figures, visit SimonePace.com and order the Encyclopedia of Traditional Appalachian Square Dancing by Bill Nichols and Garland Steele. A link is below.